Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and this video is about this piece and this piece alone. Look at how brand new it is. I just finished bringing it home from a yard sale, and look at the newness in it for 75 cents. 75 cents. When this was bought, somebody paid money for it, and they had it for 75 cents. That is why I love yard sales, thrift shops, flea markets. This is the stuff that you can find. Come on, you can't beat 75 cents. Anyway, when I saw this, right away, I thought of a balcony for one of my dollhouses. So remember the gigantic dollhouse? Well, I'm still working on it, but I brought it in from the garage to the dining room because I have a big table here where I can work on it and have some sunlight from the windows. So I ended up buying this, and I pictured it in this house. So this is the idea. This is what I think that I will be doing. Look at how plain that house is. I already touched up the shutters, so they are nicely painted. I have the door, the new door in place because there were no doors to this house. You've probably already seen a video on that door. So look at how plain this is. I'm envisioning this right here. Right there. Now that is a window, but it doesn't have to be a window. I can make it a walkout door to the balcony. And then to affix this to the house, I might not affix it to the house. I have columns that can hold this up on both sides, but it would look something like this. You see what I'm saying? You walk out from here, which this was a window, but I'll make it a walkout door, and then I can place plants and stuff like that on this balcony, and that's downstairs. So this is my idea eventually. So you'll see this piece. So for 75 cents, look at how much difference this will make to this house. So stay tuned for that, but that'll be a future video. Thanks for watching.